Good morning, students. Today we will do solution of question number 9 of exercise 1.4. Okay, first let me read the question. Your question number 9 is, let star be a binary operation on the set Q of rational numbers as follows. There are 6 questions. First one is A star B is equal to A minus B. I'll read one by one. So question is to find out what? Find which of the binary operations are commutative and which are associative. So if you see, I hope you remember what is the definition of commutativity and associativity. For commutativity, what you have to show? You have to show it that A star B is equal to B star A. That means if you change the position of the elements, if the value remains as it is, we call the star binary operation is what? Commutative. And for associativity, you have to change the position of the bracket. If it remains as it is, then we call the function is associative. First, actually you see, if a function is yes it is commutative, or yes it is associative, then you have to use the given definition and so the calculation. If not, okay, after doing the question, you may understood that the question is not associative or not commutative, or sometimes just by seeing the question we can decide whether the function is commutative or not, or associative or not. If just by seeing the question you understand that the solution is not commutative or not associative, then in that case it is sufficient to give an example. Hope you understand. তোমালোকে চোৱা কম্পিটিটিভিটি হয় যদি তোমালোকে যেটো ডেফিনিশ্যন দিয়া থাকিব সেইটো তুমি ইউজ কৰিবই লাগিব। সেইটো ইউজ কৰি তুমি ফৰ অল প্ৰত্যেকটাৰ কাৰণে যে ৰিজাল্টটো ট্ৰু হয় সেইটো দেখাব লাগিব। কিন্তু যদি নহয়, তোমালোকে প্ৰথমতে কৰি চাই পেলাই নহয় ডিসাইড কৰিও তোমালোকে আকৌ কৰিব পাৰা, তেতিয়া এক্সাম্পল দিব পাৰা। ইয়াতে কিন্তু এক্সাম্পলটো মাষ্ট, বা কেতিয়াবা তোমালোকে দেখিয়ে গম পোৱা যে এই ফাংচনটো তোমালোকৰ কমিউটেটিভ বা এছ'চিয়েটিভ নহয়, তেতিয়া কি কৰিবা? অকল এক্সাম্পলটোৱে সাফিচিয়েণ্ট। কৰি চাইও দিব পাৰা বা নহ'লে ডাইৰেক্টলি এক্সাম্পল দিব পাৰা, কিন্তু নহ'লে আমি এক্সাম্পলটো দিয়াটো মাষ্ট, দিবই লাগিব। হ'ব, আমি এতিয়া প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটোলৈ যাওঁ। Our first question is A star B is equal to A minus B. Here you see, we already know whatever the rational number you take, will you get the difference of them is equal, are equal? Obviously not. So here I'll simply give the example that this is not commutative. For that purpose, first I'm writing the function, your set, that is what? Q, the set of rational number, and operation is defined by A star B is equal to A minus B. First, always write down what is given. After that, I'm taking just any two rational number. Here I'm taking half or 1 by 3. You may take 1, 2 also, because you know 1 and 2 is also a rational number, is not it? That will give you the calculation easily. But as we know, what is rational number? I hope you understand now. Those numbers which can be put in the form of P by Q. If I take suppose 2, 2 is also rational because 2 can be put in the form 2 by 1, is not it? So that type of natural numbers also you can take, because all natural numbers are rational numbers. So I am taking here half and Q. These are belongs to Q. Then you have to find out what is the value of A star B, half star 1 by 3. So what is half star 1 by 3? By definition, if A star B is A minus B, then half star 1 by 3 is equal to what? Half minus 1 by 3, is not it? So here we have done it, half star 1 by 3 is equal to half minus 1 by 3. These are fractions. So you have to take LCM. After taking LCM, we'll get what? This you have to multiply by 3, this by 2. So numerator is 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1 by 6. So we have done the calculation. Remember, I have taken, giving the example of fractions, but without fraction, without taking fractions. By taking natural numbers, also you can give the examples. Simply here you don't write down that is natural. If you take natural numbers, okay, write down rational, because as you know, repeatedly I had told you, as you know, natural numbers are all rational numbers. Now change the position of the elements. Here I am taking half and 1 by 3. Here just change the position, it become 1 by 3 and half. 1 by 3 and half. Then you have to use the definition, that is what? A minus B is first minus second, difference of the first minus second. It will give you 1 by 3 minus half. Right? Then take the LCM and do the calculation. Then your LCM is 6. This you have to multiply it by 2 and this 1 by 3. So 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Have you got their equal? Obviously not. So I have written here half star 1 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 3 star half. Okay, therefore the operation is not commutative. Now we will go for associativity. So for associativity we have to take 3 elements, right? So we are taking here half, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 with 3 elements as a rational number. In that case, you will see that half star 1 by 3 star 1 by 4. First use the definition here. It becomes first minus second. That is half minus 1 by 3. Keep the third as it is. Take LCM and do the calculation. I have not shown the calculation here as I have done it earlier. So here you can show the calculation also. Okay. Now you see this is 1 by 6 and star 1 by 4. Take LCM again here. The difference, that is 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4. Your LCM is LCM. You know, I hope you know how to get the LCM. So LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. This I have to multiply it by 2 and this by 3. It becomes minus 1 by 12. Now you change the position of the bracket. Half keep as it is. Give the bracket between the second and the third. Write down first, do the calculation of the brackets. Half star, it become what? Difference of the first minus second. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. The calculated value 12. 4 minus 1 is this. Okay. Now here you have to use again the definition. First minus second. Half minus 1 by 12. 12 is the LCM. This is multiplied by 6. It's by 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So you have seen it. This is not equal to this one. Right. Therefore, we have give the conclusion. The operation is not associative. Remember, I had directly given here example as I know it earlier that this type of difference of two function is neither commutative nor associative. If you have any doubt, suppose you don't know that whether it is commutative, associative or not, then first check it by using the definition. You will see in the case of AB, these values are not same. Then you can give the example. Remember, if not, example is sufficient. You have to give it. Okay. Now we will go for the second question. Your second question is on Q. The operation star is defined as A star B is equal to A square plus B square. This you know, it is defined by what? Square of the first number plus the square of the second number. That means the sum of squares of the first and the second number. This is your operation now. Element is Q. You know that if addition is there, we change the square of the position. They are obviously equal. So commutativity, yes. First we will think it, then we will go for the solution. So I have written here, we are considering two elements A and B in Q, and we have here A star B by definition A square plus B square, and that can be changed the position. It can be written as B square plus A square. That gives you B star A, or separately also we can do it. So we have seen it that A star B is equal to B star A. For all AB this is true. That means the operation is commutative. Now for associativity. For associativity, we have to take 3 elements. Okay. The sum of squares, then again you have to do the calculation, the bracket between the next two. Here the calculated value is not same in both the cases. If you want, you can verify. You can do yourself. You can check yourself. Okay. By taking ABC. As I know it, so I am giving example. For associativity, I have taken 1 to 3. Rational. As I told you earlier, na, the calculation makes you easy if I take natural numbers because all naturals are rationals. So I have taken 1 to 3 are any real rational numbers. Then is 1 star 2 star 3. By definition, bracket between 1 and 2. So it becomes 1 square plus 2 square star 3. Do the calculation. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 star 4. That again gives you first square plus second square. That is 5 square plus second number square is 4 square. Okay, 25 plus 16 give you 41. Next, 1 star bracket you have to give now between 2 and 3. 1 star, this square plus this square, 2 square plus 3 square. So that gives you what? The 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. Okay, and that is 1 star 13. That is equal to 1 square plus 13 square. 1 square plus 13 square is equal to what? 169 plus 1 is equal to 170. It should be 170. Okay, I forgot to do the correction here. Okay, I forgot to add this 1 here. You do one more line, that is 169 plus 1, that is equal to 170. So we have seen that these are not equal. Therefore, the value is, they are not associative. Okay. Now we'll go for the third question. On Q, star is defined by A star B is equal to A plus AB. First number plus the product of the first and the second. That is the thing. Obviously, if I add here the first number and second time if I add here the second number, Product will be okay, but if these numbers are same, will you get the value equal? Obviously not. First we think, as I told you, always think first, then do the calculation. So we give an example. We are taking two elements, 1 and 2. 1 star 2, that is 1 into 1 into 2. 1 plus 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 2 star 1. So 2 plus 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. They are not equal, therefore star is not commutative. Now we have to go for associativity. For associativity, we have taken three elements, 1 star 2 star 3. So it become 1 plus 1 into 2 star 3. The calculated value 3, 3 star 3, 3 into what? A into B. A into B is 2 into 3 into 3. 3 is a 9 plus 3 is 12. 1 star down bracket between 2 and 3. 1 star first number plus product of the first and the second. Okay? 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 star 8. First number plus product of the first and the second. 8 plus 1 is 9. So we have seen these values are not equal. So conclusion is they are not equal. The operation is not associative. Hope you understand the procedure. Okay. Some more questions are there. Let us discuss one by one. On Q, star is defined as A star B is equal to A minus B whole square. This is the square of the difference. Change the position, answer remains as it is because square of a number will gives you positive, right? So here we have taken two elements A and B. A star B we have find out this one. B star A. B star A will be equal to what? First number minus second number square. I have just taken minus sign common and put it in this form. Then square of a number is positive. So this become A minus B whole square. So we have seen both are equal. Therefore, what is the conclusion? A star B is equal to B star A. So this is true for all AB belongs to Q. Thus the operation is commutative. Now we have to go for associativity. For associativity, we know that difference of two numbers is okay, it's same. But again, when I take the third number, the result will be not same. That's why I'm giving example. Otherwise, the questions are very lengthy. For the first time, if you do, then you can check it by taking ABC. You will see that they are not equal. Then give the example if you have any doubt. Okay. 1 star 2 star 3. So first is the difference of first two square. That is 1 minus 2 whole square. That is minus 1 square. Star 3 minus 1 square is 1. 1 star 3. That is the difference. Again, 1 star 3. So 1 minus 3 whole square. Okay. That is minus 2 square is equal to 4. Next, 1 star within bracket 2 star 3. 1. First number minus second number square. That is equal to minus 1 square. Minus 1 square is square. Difference of two numbers 0. So we have seen they are not equal. Thus, the operation is not associative. Now, our next question number 5. On Q, the operation star is defined by A star B by A star B is equal to AB by 4. Then obviously this is same because 4 is constant and product of the numbers, rational number is commutative. So I have done directly. A star B is equal to AB by 4. This can be written as BA by 4. First number is B now, second is A. So this can be written as B star A. So we have seen that A star B is equal to B star A. This is true for all AB. Thus the operation is commutative. Now we have to go for associativity of this number. Here also it is same because product of any number and denominator is constant. So it becomes as it is. For associativity taken three elements ABC. We have got what? A star B star C. This is AB by 4 by definition star C. First number is this now. Second number is this. So product of the first divided by 4. First and the second. AB by 4 into C by 4. Do the calculation ABC by 16. Then A star B star C. So A star, this is product of the first and the second by 4. Again, these are the new number. Product of the 2 divided by 4. So A into BC by 4 by 4. ABC by 4. So we have seen both are equal. Thus the operation is associative. And this is true for, you may write down one more line here, for all ABC belongs to Q. Next one. On Q, star is defined by A star B is equal to AB square. First number, square of the second. They are obviously not equal because if I take B star A, then first number will be B, then A square. Okay, that means this is not commutative. So I am giving example. Half and 1/3 is the number. So half into 1 by 3 whole square. 1 by 3 whole square means 1 by 9. Product will give you 1 by 18. Then 1 by 3 half. 1 by 3 half square. Half square is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 12. Okay. So they are not equal. Hence the operation is not commutative. Now we have to go for associativity of the number. We have taken just a minute. I have written this 2 times. Okay. The next is associativity. Half 1 by 3. Half 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 I have taken. First number into the product of the second number star 3. This is 1 by 9 1 2 half, that is 1 by 18, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 square, 16, 1. You can do the calculation or avoid it, because next time you have seen it, this is not equal, that's why I am avoiding this square now, the product of the number. 1 by 2 here, then this is half 1 by 3 star 1 by 2. Okay, half. This is one first number, here 1 by 3, second number square, 1 by 4 square, 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 square is 16, 1 by 48, half second number square. So obviously they are not equal. So we have given here, this is not equal to this one. Hence, the operation is not associative. And lastly, I have written the conclusion. Okay, thank you. And here you see, if you want the images of this video, then you can contact in the that one here in the description box. Okay, thank you.